Welcome. I'm so happy that you're here. I'm Volta, the artist behind Color Snack Creative Studio. Because of the holidays, I wanted to create a two-part Skillshare class that covers 24 types of Christmas trees. Yep, I basically wanted to find every single fun way of sketching a Christmas tree, and I wanted to share that with you. The first part of the class is great for beginners to watercolors, since we'll be covering some simple and easy techniques and designs and sketches that you can try at home. The watercolor skills you will learn in this class will build upon each other as you progress through the videos. The second part of the series is great for intermediate students or someone who has had some previous art experience. In that class, we'll go through Christmas trees that are a little bit more involved and a little bit more detailed. Upon completing this class, you will have 24 creative ways of sketching a Christmas tree. And you can use that to send a postcard to someone, you could fill up a whole sketchbook with them, or maybe you could frame them for yourself. In addition to including a PDF guide with line drawings that you could follow along or use as reference, I'll also provide a bonus video to give you additional ideas of how you can use these sketches. I hope you'll join me in this class. I can't wait to see what you create.